Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you through the simple steps to change the subtitle font in VLC Media Player. Whether you want a bigger font, a different style, or just a cleaner look, I will show you how. First, open VLC Media Player. Go to the top menu and click on Tools, then select Preferences. In the Preferences window, look for the option called Subtitles and click on it. Under Subtitle Effects, you'll see a field called Font. Click the Choose. A new window will open where you can select your preferred font. After selecting your font, click Save in the Preferences window. To apply the changes, close and reopen VLC Media Player. And that's it. You've successfully customized the subtitle font in VLC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.